girl on the way up here. Morocco's a lovely place. Great people, gorgeous views, and a giant dusty death canyon. V, if you can hear me, Okay, that almost crushed me. What did you do today? Oh, nothing much. Some cardio, updated my social media, outran an avalanche. Keep it together. Keep it together. Almost there. The mountain's starting to level out.
I can see you. Oh my, Cameron, punch it!
If you're using my full name, I know I'm in trouble.
Just drive! There's a valley up ahead. Start making the climb and you'll be safe. I'll meet you there.
Well, that escalated quick.
What happened?
Well, after you deserted me, I was stuck in that fortress. Everywhere I went, there were bad guys, and that solar array was blinding me. So I made an executive decision to smash my way out. And that side seems to have been a little fragile. Still, though, it managed to take out Kai's men that were shooting at me.
And you managed to get the data?
Yep, got that too.
Wow. Great job, Cam. I know I may not say it out loud a lot, but I know you can handle yourself. Lady, come in. We've got the data and we're heading back.
We see you. Good work. Looks like a list of businesses and properties on the Tadakul payroll.
So now Interpol can just roll in and...
These are just map squares, not precise GPS points.
We're gonna have to check these out in person.
And soon, they're gonna be on high alert, since your escape wasn't exactly stealthy.
Hey, that was only partially my fault.
Vienna, you ready to ride?
I'm not letting Kai slip away again.
So you say you know Ted back in the day?
Yeah, they were tight.
Tight, huh? Why did he tell me you up at Vantage one day?
Let's just say I lost my Miami privileges. I had to get out of town.
And you brought along Cam.
They've got nobody else. Been looking after them for as long as I can remember. They're the only family we've got.
Looks like we're almost there.
Whoa. Did someone beat us to the punch?
Impossible. They're just covering the tracks. Looks like a storm's approaching.
You and Lydia have known each other for a long time.
Forever.
Yeah. That's how it is with me and Cam. I don't remember whose yard we started playing in first. I can't believe I dragged him into this.
Cam can probably handle more than you think.
second location should be a mile ahead. Come on. I can't believe we just missed them.
Good. Means we got him on the run.
Watch out. We must have thought to evacuate. We gotta stop them from tripping Kai off. That's all of them. Hopefully we can still get the truck on time. This is the last sight, Dom. I just hope we're not too late. There's nothing here.
No, he's here all right. Letty, we found Kai's hiding place. Gather the troops, we're going in. Everybody, quiet!
What is it?
Something's not right. Get back!